Welcome everyone, how's it going? How are you today on the Aptos side of price prediction and technicals for the second part of January 2024? Enjoying once again a great market movement, and it's a cryptocurrency which is having a very good technical position, guys, which is why I'd like to share with you in this video presentation what's going on in the markets. My trades, this is my trading journal in a spreadsheet form with an option number 1 availability right there without any upfront fees, completely done for you based on commission from the pure profits. Simple and straightforward on performance, no upfront fees. It's completely done for you in an API trading format. You give us trading permission, we execute the trades, and there's commission charge every 7 days, which is paid by you based on performance and profits made. Simple and straightforward. This minor accumulation stage, which appeared internally in the structure, we're speaking about a great market movement, which has been generated, retested, and now it has to continue, folks. A breakout above, a retest, a bouncing of the previous supply, $10 right there, you're getting to the double digits. The doors are going to get open. Once that happens, it's actually a great moment to trigger that volume needed for 30% movement. Although back in the day, there's nothing that keeps us by pushing into the liquidity area and liquidated out of the shorts as well, have on board people chasing the pumps, which is something that I'm honestly telling you should completely avoid. And make sure, guys, you get a proper knowledge before you start trading, because otherwise, so that's where we are basically with Aptos works. I'm not targeting anything bigger than that for the first eye. I would actually say that a push into that level and then a retracement afterwards is actually something which will be very healthy. A retracement afterwards which could be established basically at this level, or you can completely retrace basically to the current supply. I wouldn't mind that. A complete retrace to the current supply and a double or triple bottom on that would actually allow us to push to the upper side. Enjoy, guys. We'll talk to you soon.